TotalEnergies faces judicial scrutiny over alleged greenwashing in pioneering French case. In a groundbreaking legal confrontation set for June, French multinational TotalEnergies will face allegations in the Paris Civil Court over what environmental groups describe as misleading advertisements regarding its climate commitments. This pivotal case marks the first time a major fossil fuel company in France has been legally challenged for greenwashing, potentially setting significant precedents for corporate environmental accountability. This judicial scrutiny originates from a lawsuit filed in March 2022 by a coalition of environmental advocacy groups, including Greenpeace France, Friends of the Earth France, and Notre Affaire à tous. These organizations accuse TotalEnergies of deceptive commercial practices by claiming it can achieve carbon neutrality by 2050 while continuing to ramp up oil and gas production. According to the groups, such claims are fundamentally inconsistent with the urgent need to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and curtail fossil fuel reliance, as outlined by scientific research on climate change. Greenpeace France's legal director Apolline Cagnot has called for the immediate cessation of these misleading commercial practices, emphasizing the potential for this ruling to influence how companies globally might communicate their environmental policies. On the defensive, TotalEnergies rebuffs the allegations, asserting that its commitment to the energy transition is underpinned by tangible, objective data. The company promotes natural gas as the fossil fuel with the lowest greenhouse emissions and underscores its necessity in meeting global energy demands while positioning itself as a leader in the energy transition. The legal action against TotalEnergies is part of a growing trend where environmental groups leverage judicial systems to correct misleading corporate environmental claims, dubbed greenwashing. This trend has seen successes, such as recent rulings against Dutch airline KLM and Germany's Lufthansa, which faced consequences over false advertising about their environmental impact mitigation efforts. In addition to legal battles, public protests underscore the contentious nature of corporate environmental claims, exemplified by an incident where Paris police deterred Extinction Rebellion activists from protesting at BNP Paribas headquarters, accused of funding fossil fuels, including its associations with TotalEnergies. The forthcoming court decision will specifically deliberate on the legality of advertising gas as a vital component of the energy transition, taking into account its significant climatic impact. This case against TotalEnergies, the world's fourth-largest oil and gas firm, may not only influence future corporate behavior, but also shape legal standards regarding environmental advertising globally. In another related ongoing judicial matter, a greenwashing case targeted at Australian oil and gas producer Santos contests the legitimacy of its claims of being a clean fuels company since 2021. This unprecedented French case against TotalEnergies underscores the increasing role of legal apparatus in battling misleading corporate environmental narratives and might inspire further global actions towards more authentic and science-aligned corporate climate communications. Thank you for choosing Satori News.